Okay guys, so in this video let's talk about the cinnamic acid and its derivatives. This is again a very small video, not that much hard for the synthesis, but there are some few important details which you need to remember and you need to understand. So we are going to start with phenylalanine. I hope you remember this molecule. We have talked about the synthesis of phenylalanine in our I think like last two videos, I guess. I will put the link in this upper right corner for you to remember it, like in case you forgot it or you have no idea about it. So in just like it doesn't matter if you know it or not, like it doesn't matter for this particular reaction. Just now we are going to start our synthesis process from this phenylamine, right? So if you want to know about how the phenylamine is going to be synthesized, then you can watch through that video and have some note. So the first step which we are going to talk about is the deamination. You can see here is the amine group. So this amine group will be removed in order to obtain our cinnamic acid. So you can see it's pretty much easy, right? This is the cinnamic acid. This is a very important organic molecule in biosynthesis. In biosynthesis pathway, many biological systems contain the cinnamic acid and it has a lot of function. So I'm hoping to do another video series about like each what are the each molecules, like what are the each organic molecules, each biological molecules do, and what are the uses of it, like I mean industry wise, biological wise, drug wise. I'm hoping to do some video series about that too. So for now I need you to understand this is the cinnamic acid. The structure you need to remember, you need to memorize the structure, you need to practice the structure. So this is very important molecule. But the other thing is we need to talk about its derivatives. So the first one is the oxidation. You can do the oxidation part here, like the basic the basic oxidation, just like a basic oxidation, but instead of normal organic reagents, this happens in a biological system. So instead of reagents there are enzymes. So this oxidation, you can see we can obtain the benzoic acid from cinnamic acid. Then in our another pathway, let's move on to another pathway, like aromatic hydroxylation, which means like you can add a hydroxyl group into a aromatic group onto a aromatic group, which the structure would be like this. And again the second aromatic hydroxylation, So as I have told you in our previous videos, these all are enzyme driven reactions, right? These are enzyme driven reaction. These all these reaction, like this hydroxide addition, these all are enzymes. The enzymes are the doing all the function. So these in this case like in biosynthesis pathways, in these videos I'm not talking about like lab work process. This is a biological process. So all these mechanisms are doing inside the biological system, not in a lab, right? So normal reagents won't work here, like normal reagents won't present here. These are all biological conditions, biological reagents, biological enzymes. Okay, so now we are here. I hope you get this simple aromatic hydroxylation. So here you have contained a hydroxyl group into aromatic ring, and another hydroxyl group into aromatic ring is being attached. So this is caffeic acid, right? Caffeic acid. Another little bit important molecule. So I am not expecting you to memorize this name and structure, but I hope you to memorize this one, right? This structure and name, like this is a particularly, like it's an important molecule. Cinnamic acid, it's an important molecule, like, and also the phenylalanine, tyrosine, these are important molecules, right? You need to have you need to know the structure and name, you need to know about it. And then here we have a very similar reaction, SAM. I hope you know what the SAM means, right? So the SAM the boy, no, this is a SAM alkylation. O alkylation. Basically you can see like a methyl group is been attached here. This Me means methyl group, right? CH3 group. So methyl group is been attached to our oxygen. So basically this is the O alkylation. If you are not aware of the SAM O alkylation, or you have no idea about the SAM, I highly recommend you to go back to our first video. I'm going to put the link above. So this SAM alkylations, like there are SAM O alkylations, SAM carbon alkylation, SAM nitrogen alkylation with DMPP, Like these are very important biological reactions. So I hope you to remember these things. Like you need to understand these things. So there's a SAM molecule. SAM is a molecule, right? So we have discussed all about this molecule and all about this mechanism, how a methyl group is attached to this instead for hydrogen. We have talked about it. So I'm going to put the link above for the mechanism video, so you can go back to and refresh your memory. So in this case, here we have another derivative from our cinnamic acid, which is folic acid. These are the main derivative. There are so many derivatives in biological systems, but the main things are these kind of things. So I hope you to know these important factors. Otherwise, take a short notes and try to do your own. Try to take up some notes and try to write these structures. I mean, try to draw these structures. Then it will help you to memorize the structures. I hope you got something from this video. In our next video, let's go depth into our more synthesis pathways.